Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to learn about Dadra groove, which is the 6-beat time cycle. It goes like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 dha dhi na na di na dha di na na di na 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 dha di na na di na dha di na na di na. So here, for like this entire 1 2 3 4 5 6 this groove, you can see that I am using different clap and wave. Before we get there, let's explain the first 3 and the next 3. So first 3 beat goes like 1 2 3, equivalent to dha di na. 4 5 6 is equivalent to na di na. And here for 1 2 3, what I am doing with the clap and wave, it goes like this. For beat 1, I bring my left palm up and then clap with my right hand. 1. For 2, I bring my pinky and then the tip of the pinky, I land it on my palm. So 2. Then for 3, I do the same with my ring finger. 3. So it goes like 1 2 3, or clap, pinky, ring, or dha di na. For 4 5 6, it goes like wave, pinky, ring, 4 5 6 na di na. So now from 1 to 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, clap, pinky, ring, wave, pinky, ring, or with the musical words, it's going to sound like this: dha di na na di na, dha di na na di na.